It's the middle of January, and even though there's snow outside, we're busy doing geranium propagation here at Board Ends. You can see the beautiful views of our stock plants that we take our cuttings off of. We started growing these stock plants last July, and now's the time to take cuttings off them. You can see the cutting process is quite simple. You can just snap the growing tips right off the plants. For quick root development, it's imperative that you take off the excess leaves and any flower buds to make sure that that cutting is channeling all of its energy into growing roots. De-leafing also helps to make sure there's enough light getting to that growing tip. The cuttings are then stuck into a rooting media. We like to use Oasis for our geraniums. It helps to make sure that there's the right amount of moisture available for root development. Then they're watered in. About every 15 minutes the watering boom sprays a fine mist over the plants. This is all computer controlled, and as the plants get older, the waterings become less frequent. Once the roots are developed, they can be transplanted into a larger size. These 4-inch geraniums were started November 1st of last year. They're ready today to be transplanted into the larger size. We'll take 3 plants and put them in our 15-inch container. That way you'll have a beautiful porch pot come spring. Throughout one growing season, we'll take about 200,000 cuttings off those geranium stock plants. And the cuttings that we're sticking today will go into a 6-inch container and will be ready about Mother's Day weekend. You can see those big pots are being spaced out into the greenhouse where they'll be grown on at about 70 degrees. The finished geraniums can make a breathtaking display in retail or a beautiful backdrop for a commercial shoot. So don't forget to plant some geraniums this spring.